there.
You'll never take me down. Yeah! Die! Smack! I'm on your side. Oh!
I got one infamy, but I mean, other than that, pretty much good. Daedric Battle Axe.
If it's a fight you want, it's a fight you'll get. Huh?
Getting dangerous. Running low of magic. Okay, never mind. I'm back to normal.
What's that?
He was here a second ago.
You know what? I kind of want to upgrade my sneaking really quick, but I don't remember how to get to this one spot. Does anyone recall how to get to the prison cells, the one that you start at the beginning of the game at?
You have the hand.
I know it's in the capital, but I don't remember from where.
You have come.